people, back with another sandbox vid. The reason I didn't have any audio in the last one is because my mom was watching a movie and she didn't want me to talk during it. And I have a picture that I planned on doing today. Where is it? Yeah, the dog one. Alright, so let's get started. First off, the background. And that's done. I'm gonna skip over to 3 and get the shadow over with. Alright, now 2. A lot of, not that much of, little details in this one, little corner bits. Let's see. Comment down below if... Alright, comment down below which animal is better, cats or dogs. I personally don't have a preference, they're both good in their own way, but comment down below which is your favorite. Coloring in the 4s, which are black. And make sure you like, subscribe, and then shout out to It's Blaze 202. Go check out his channel. He only has a few vids, but he's better than me. Probably because he streams as well. Let's see. Oh, over here. And there's 10 colors total, I think. Yep, 10. Boom, 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 boom. Click, click, boop, boop. And done with the 5. Almost. Whoops. Ding. Boop. Boop, boop. There's another 5 somewhere. Oh. Now I'm done with what? Alright, that's it. Something in my eye. And by the way, guys, this is my second video of the day. I also posted some Fortnite today. Go check that out. Alright, almost done this pick. And boom. Aw, that's cute. Bye, Banana Joe. They spelled banana, though. Wrong. They spelled banana wrong, though. Aw. That's cute. Okay. Now let's do cat. Oh, and if you're on an LG device, and you want to do some mobile vids, check out MobaZen. That's what I'm using right now. there's a watermark at the bottom of the video, I think, that says Mobazan on it. So go check it out. I'm not sponsored, by the way. Mobazan, sponsor me. Alright, for real though, go check out Mobazan. Good website. I mean, not website. Stupid me. App. It's free to use. You can make videos up to 15 minutes. You can cut and stop wherever you want in the video. There's customizable settings. You can have a face cam if you want. Everything. Alright. Oh, and sorry that the Christmas tree from yesterday was split up into 2 parts, and that there was a little bit of audio in the background, and I wasn't talking because, like I said, my mom was watching a stupid movie, and it was split up in 2 parts because I couldn't have it be, like, you can have a video be more than 15 minutes on Mobazan, which sucks. But besides that part, Mobazan is like a great app. Alright, I'm gonna cut here and finish doing the outline of the cats. Alright guys, I'm done the outlines. Alright, time for the cats. The kitty cats. Alright. I like autofilling. Just looking for more twos. I feel like I'm missing some. Oh, of course, a little bit down there. Any other bits that I'm missing? Yup, knew it. And, yep. Alright, done with that color. Moving on to color number 3 of 17. And also the background is a different color for each one, so that's cool. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Alright, this one is like mostly 3 color. And then a 3 background, blue. Alright, I'm gonna do like a couple cats off screen. Alright, I'm gonna go to color number 6 off screen. Alright, so 4, 5, and 6 weren't that much. Alright, so now all I have left is 7 to 17. Alright, let's go for 7. Alright, and guys, comment down below. Alright, so comment down below if you like seeing these coloring videos, or if you'd like to see other things on mobile. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know, just something on mobile. But I don't really have anything like PUBG or Apex or Fortnite mobile. or like Clash of Clans or anything like those games. I just have like miscellaneous things. I'll show you when I'm done. I'll show you my home screen. 10 minutes into the recording. Alright. So, getting done to 9 and 10 and stuff. Looking around for where the rest of the 9s are, and maybe the middle one? Yep. Knew it. Cute little whiskers and ears. Ta-da! And, of course, that's not it yet. Where is the stupid 9s at? You know, I honestly have no clue. I'll just move on to 10s, I guess. Wonder why there's that little box right here. That box. Wonder why it's there. Ears for this one. And as I do 10s, I'm looking around for 9s that I might have missed. No 9s on that cat. No 9s on this cat. No 9s on this cat. Just 110. 110 there, no 9s. Quite a few 10s here. No 9. 10s. Wait, was there a 9? No. Alright. Bit more 10s over here. And then finally, on this one. Alright. Number 11. Whoops. Yeah, for real though. Where is that 9? I can't find. And like, with this, like, when you're looking for a certain color, you find a bunch of the next color, and then you're so tempted to skip to the next one. And then on the next one, you can't find that bunch of color that you found earlier. Oh, there's the missing 9. Alright, we're 14 minutes in, so this is gonna go into a part 2. So, alright, signing off for now, because this is gonna go into part 2. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and shout out to It's Blaze 202. Peace!